We are out and about, guys. It's like a little after 1. Just fill some gas, get some stuff. I here with Pooch. Daddy just running a few errands before. I think I need to make one stop before I actually go by my boyfriend, by Maniquehere. I should just say Maniquehere, guys. Yeah. Decided to wear my Christmas hat plus my hair. You know, my hair I should not wear it because I washed my hair and it's drying. But oh god, I'm sweating already. You know what? That's why we're gonna put it back on to hide. Guys, so it's after 2 right now. I'm Pennywise. You all know I not about this rush, but I had to. Like, I really need a few things, and this traffic and thing just getting more so irritated. I'm trying to find something to get out fast and I can't. Excuse me. This, like, it has so much people. So I just want to like get those few things and head out. My hand hurts right now because it's baskets. I decided to pick up a basket, so I wouldn't pick up plenty of things. But no, now my hand kills me. So I'll probably talk after. Hello loves, so we finally finished from Pennywise. Guys, I went in there thinking that I would spend like 15 or 20 minutes because I didn't need plenty of things, right? But Mahesh needed some stuff, so I did get some stuff for him. I spent a whole flipping 45 minutes in Pennywise, y'all. I wasn't even planning to spend so long, but there was so much people that, like, I hate, like, I don't know if you all know by now, but I absolutely hate like last minute rush and crowds and like traffic and like, oh, I just hate all of that kind of rushy stuff. But I really just needed a few things, and I just love to make people happy. And as much as I am as a little bit of a financial strain this Christmas, I just really want to see these smiles on people's faces, and I just wanted to pick up just a little something, you know, just a little something, even if it's not something big. That's why I really wanted to stop there. But it just had, I was just really walking up and down in the same lanes like 3 or 4 times because I couldn't find what I was looking for. And I just was, and I made a list. You know, I made a list so that I could stick to it, but apparently that I did stick to it. I did stick to my list, by the way. But like, I didn't finish the list like while I was driving. Then my hair was like, hey, you know, I need some stuff. So this is me counting mentally. Okay, this is for this person. This. Do I have everything? Yes, I do. So I finally finished, headed down the road. I am so hungry, y'all. I'm so hungry and thirsty. Like my lips chapped and dry. Yes, Pooch. I'm so sorry, guys. I had to like wear parks and water parked in a good place. I had to leave the glass a little bit down, like leave spaces and leave Kenji in the car. And I really hate doing that. I hate leaving him in the car, especially for so long. Like if I have to leave him in the car, I really just rush out and get what I need and rush back in. But he's okay. He's fine. I'm finally headed down the road. I just think I'm gonna get something to eat and water because I really need party right now. Like flip out. I just want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. I hope that you guys spread joy and happiness, positivity. Don't think about material things. Don't think about gifts. Just think about giving back something. Yes, we almost reached home. The place is too hot for him, guys. He doesn't like the heat at all. Just focus on those things. Focus on spending time with your family. Share experiences. Bake and cook something for somebody. Buy them a snack or something, rather than buy them a gift if it is your, like, as a financial strain, or like just focus on what is important. Material things are not important. And you see, this Christmas, just be very safe, guys, on the road when you're shopping. Anything you're doing, just be very safe. Wear your mask, sanitize, wash your hands. Don't go close to people. Please practice social distancing. COVID is still there, guys. It's not leaving. It has not left for a while. It is still there, and it's probably still going to be there for a good bit of next year. So please practice all of your COVID-19 protocols. Be safe. Have a very Merry Christmas. I hope you guys enjoy every single minute of it, and just focus on that, spreading that joy and spending time with your family. You know, get some hot cocoa, sit under the fireplace. Not really in Trinidad. We don't want a fireplace because the place too damn hot already. But anyway, guys, I am signing out. Thank you so very much for sticking with me for the entirety of Vlogmas, even though it's been so horrible. Like, I did a terrible job at it, as in like the last Vlogmas video push, get this vlog up, get everything up. Guys, I hope that you all have a very amazing and productive time. Let the rest of the year just come by naturally, flow to you. What else do I have to say? Looking forward to a very productive year. Don't just set New Year's resolution, guys. Set lifestyle changes. Lifestyle. By lifestyle, I mean like you want to make a difference generally. Okay, you don't just want to like, yeah, I'm gonna crash diet. I'm gonna lose 10 pounds. No, you want to say, okay, let's make a vision board for myself. These are what I want to achieve. I want to, you just make changes that are going to make you a better person overall, and that is going to remain with you throughout your life, not just for 1 month or 2 months. Okay guys, so since we went Pennywise, I figured I'll do a quick haul. So we have this gorgeous rose gold stainless steel bottle. That is mine. It is very, very pretty. Rubbing alcohol, benches, like that is like hair color. All that is for my mom, and the benches, of course. These cute scrunchies, look how cute this is. I really, really love this one. These two are my favorite. Then we have like some body mist. These two, this one smells really, really good. And then these two deodorant sprays. And then a little packet of wipes, and then 3 men sprays.
The song was called Winter Wonderland. Wait, Christmas Wonderland. Ow. Christmas Eve, presents wrapping, carol song.